Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube TV and choosing a live channel. This immediately places you in the viewing context needed. Make sure your account has the Multiview option and you're on a supported device, because unsupported hardware won't show the controls. Next, press the remote or mouse to bring up the player controls. That reveals the Multiview icon. Once visible, select the Multiview icon to begin creating a multi-pane layout. This first actionable step switches you from single-channel playback to Multiview. Once Multiview is active, choose the layout that fits your needs, 2 up for side-by-side or 4 up for a grid. Then navigate to each empty pane and assign channels. Open the guide, pick a channel, and confirm it fills the selected slot. Make sure to set audio focus to the pane you want to hear. If you need to swap channels between panes, use the swap or move command on your remote or cursor. This step organizes both video and audio, so monitoring multiple channels becomes practical. To finish, verify each pane is playing and the audio is on the intended channel. Tweak volume per pane if available. If a pane is blank or frozen, first switch audio focus away and back, then restart the YouTube TV app. If that fails, reboot the device. Also confirm your internet bandwidth. Multiview multiplies streaming demands, so aim for roughly 10 megabits per second per HD pane. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh the session and re-enable Multiview.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.